In a world where the cost of living continues to rise, finding ways to save money has become more crucial than ever. But cutting back on expenses doesn't mean sacrificing the quality of life. In fact, with the right strategies, you can live well and spend less, making your home more energy efficient, handling repairs on your own, and even discovering the treasure trove of second-hand shopping. Ready to embark on a journey towards smarter spending and a richer life? Let's dive in. Energy-saving tips. Lighten your load, not your wallet. Did you know that your home is full of opportunities to cut down on energy consumption without compromising comfort? Here are some practical tips to reduce your utility bills. First, optimize your thermostat. Investing in a programmable thermostat allows you to set specific temperatures for different times of the day. Lower the heat when you're not home and let it warm up just before you return. This simple change can lead to significant savings over time. Next, seal those leaks. Drafty windows and doors can drain your energy resources. Applying weather stripping or caulking to seal gaps ensures that your heating and cooling systems aren't working overtime, ultimately saving you money. Then switch to LED bulbs. LED lights use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. While the upfront cost might be higher, the long-term savings are well worth the investment. Lastly, unplug idle electronics. Even when turned off, electronics like TVs and chargers consume energy if they remain plugged in. Unplugging these devices or using power strips to turn them off can lead to noticeable reductions in your electricity bill. DIY home repairs. Empower yourself to save. Home repairs can often be intimidating, leading many to call in professionals for even the smallest jobs. However, there are plenty of simple fixes you can handle yourself, saving both time and money. First, patch up those walls. Small holes and cracks in your walls don't require a contractor. With a little bit of spackle and a putty knife, you can fill in imperfections and restore your walls to their former glory in no time. Next, fix that leaky faucet. A dripping faucet might seem like a minor annoyance, but it can waste gallons of water and increase your utility bills. Most leaks are caused by worn-out washers or seals, which you can replace with just a few tools and a bit of guidance. Then, replace air filters. Clogged air filters in your HVAC system reduce efficiency and force the system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Regularly replacing or cleaning these filters can improve air quality and extend the life of your heating and cooling systems. Lastly, unclog drains. A slow drain is often caused by a simple blockage that can be cleared with a plunger or a drain snake. Skip the expensive plumber and tackle the problem yourself with just a few inexpensive tools. Second-hand shopping, discovering hidden gems. Why pay full price when you can find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost? Second-hand shopping offers not only financial benefits, but also a chance to explore unique, one-of-a-kind treasures. Clothing thrift stores and online marketplaces are filled with gently used clothing, often from high-end brands. With a bit of patience, you can build a stylish wardrobe without breaking the bank. Vintage furniture often has better craftsmanship and character than mass-produced pieces. Whether you're looking for a mid-century modern chair or a sturdy wooden table, second-hand stores and estate sales are great places to find affordable, quality furniture. Electronics. Many people upgrade their gadgets frequently, leaving perfectly good electronics behind. Look for refurbished or lightly used items online, which often come at a steep discount compared to new models. Books and media libraries, used bookstores and online platforms offer a wide selection of books, movies and games at a fraction of their original price. Second-hand shopping allows you to indulge in your favorite hobbies without overspending. How much could you save if you incorporated just one of these cost-efficient strategies into your life? Adopting even a few of these practices could lead to significant savings over time, empowering you to live a more financially secure and fulfilling life. Remember, it's not just about spending less, it's about spending smarter. As you embark on your journey toward cost-efficient living, keep this quote in mind. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. How will you start rethinking your spending habits today?